But with this 3D AI Studio, it is the real 3D AI software. So those 3D artists out there, this is not taking you away from your job, but it's just generating the model, and you can better remodel it, remaster it, and sculpt it inside any 3D software. So let's take a look at it. So here is the 3D AI Studio. Once you are here, you can see just this hilarious little note here: stop wasting hours in Blender. Anyway, you want to try that, you can see here's the community creations. You can see some of the model that been generated, but wait until you see it yourself. So here let's click on the tripod 3 here, and then once in here you can log in with your account. So now we are in the 3D viewport of the 3D AI Studio, and here is the 3D viewport. Here you can just zoom in and out from the middle mouse button. You can click on the left mouse button to rotate around the viewport here, the 3D viewport here. So let's take a little tour in the 3D AI Studio here. So here you have the home where all your generation or the models that you generate will appear here. This is where you have uploaded an image. So once you upload an image from here, you can see there are two models, version 1 and version 2, and you have to upload your image from here, and you can click generate from the image here, and then you have the text to 3D from here, where you can just type in your text prompt here and click any of the style, whether realistic, cartoon, or low poly mesh here to generate your model. And you can also use the image AI from here. Now with the rigging, this is something new. You don't see this in any other of this 3D AI software. This is really interesting, but this one is for subscribers only, for those who subscribe. So if you go to subscription here, you can see it's $4.95 one-time payment, but you don't have all the things that you want to, for example, high quality generation, and then access to all full features here. And you download the model in FBX, OBJ, and STL export. You don't do that, but you only download in GLB, and you have the 3D Stega here as well. And 3D Stega is also for subscriber only. Now we just go to the image here, and let's upload an image to see how good it is. So let's upload an image. So this is the image that I want to upload from here. So once I have already uploaded this image, I just click on the generate, and it's gonna use 1 credit for this. So you upload your image here, and then you can click on generate to generate that. Now let's go to the text to 3D. So here we have the text to 3D. Type in our prompt here, our usual prompt: a rabbit eating carrot. And then you have the different style here. You can go to the realistic, cartoon, and low poly. So let's select the cartoon here, and you can see the cartoon is added to the prompt. And then the model, you have the version 2, which is new, and then you can also click on generate. So here's the model we just generated using the image of the horse. So you can see here, you just have to download from here. So you click here, you are downloading so we are just downloading a GLB file. And then now we have the rabbit here as well, so we can just also download the GLB file from here, and then we can import this into Blender. So let's move over to Blender and just have a look at how it is inside Blender. Delete the default cube here by hitting D or X on your keyboard. So let's go to file here, import, and then GLB file. And then let's select our download folder, because we downloaded into the download folder. And then let's select the model here and import it into Blender. Okay, so here's our host inside Blender, and from here we can start remodeling it and do other things with that. Okay, so our rabbit bunny here can again do the same thing. Okay, so there you go. This is a great 3D AI software that you can just upload an image or just type in your text prompt, and you generate this nice, beautiful 3D mesh or the model that you can just import it into any 3D software and remodel it, remesh it, or you can just sculpt it to make it more better. Thank you again for watching.